Since dawn this morning, 43 Palestinian people have been killed by Israeli attacks. On Monday, 74 people were killed, 30 people reported at a seaside cafe used by journalists, activists and local residents. More than 600 starving Palestinians have been killed, like moving targets in a fairground, and 4,186 injured while waiting for food at an obscenely entitled Gaza Humanitarian Foundation. And we're making our words today. Doctors Without Borders have told us that the aid distribution sites are slaughter masquerading as humanitarian aid. Those sites before October the 7th were 400 sites across the Gaza Strip. They're down now to 4. Under this abomination, Gaza has gone from 400 to 4. At Lazzarini, the commissioner. I'm looking at this and I'm looking at a speech of 23 pages, and I see the narrative continues from the government despite the good steps that have been taken. There's a narrative that utterly fails to condemn Israel for the genocidal state that it is. We talk as if history started on the 7th of October. It certainly did not. We condemn without hesitation what happened, but no context given, no history given at all. And then we go out to look at page 13, and if we have no credibility at all left, if this is what we're talking about, a conflict between Israel and Iran, as if Iran wasn't attacked in an unprovoked attack by a genocidal government that went in. And our government and our Tánaiste calls that a mutual conflict where they attacked each other. Now, that's the type of narrative that makes me very, very angry and deals a terrible blow to our credibility as an independent sovereign state, a republic, and with a duty to speak out, a duty to call out power abuse no matter where that is. And at this stage, it's Israel and absolutely Israel. Garamag.